Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle. Right below the Subaru emblem, put one finger over there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is from behind it. Right over there is the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit to loosen it, and that's it. Now it's loose and you'll be able to get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is right there on it, 7444 NA. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now let's put it back in the light. And when you do so, this is where you have to be a little bit patient, because you have to make sure that the bulb holder is sitting in flush. It gets sitting in properly. See, right now it's sticking out, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. So be patient, spend a couple seconds, make sure it sits in like this, and then twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now let's just move on to the driver's side. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Right over there is the bulb holder, just as accessible. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight to get it out. Same bulb, 7444 NA. Put the new bulb back into the bulb holder, and now let's put it back in the light. Make sure it's sitting in properly, and once it is, just twist your right to lock it, and we're done. Now let's just go inside the car and turn the four-way flashes on, the emergency lights, to test out the bulbs to verify that they're actually working fine. And the driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side, and that is very good. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.